Clubbing is basically that because of certain causes, this particular distal end, this distal end, there's a lot of growth of tissue. There's a lot of swelling, growth of tissue. Because of this, there's bulbous changes in this in the distal end around the nail. This is called as clubbing. Now there are four stages of clubbing. So the first one is the nail will look completely normal, but only on palpation you will see that the nail is kind of floating over the nail bed, because this occurs because there is swelling here, and because of this swelling and ongoing inflammation, the nail plate loses its grip to the nail bed and the nail matrix. So this is called as floating nail sign or fluctuancy. In the second stage, as the growth of the connective tissue around here under the nail and behind the nail goes on and on, the nail rises from its proximal end, because of which the angle between the nail plate and the nail bed is lost. So what happens is usually this angle, lovibond's angle, is less than 160 degrees. But because of this growth, the nail plate rises and this may become obtuse and more than 180 degrees. Similarly, there is the Kurt's angle also. This angle, this is the angle between the distal phalanx and the middle phalanx. So this is usually more 180 degrees, because your fingers are flat. So this is 180 degrees. But because of clubbing, this portion is risen up. So this will now turn less than 160 degrees to be significant. In a third stage, because of more swelling, the nail will become more curved. It will become like parrot beak. So this is called as parrot beak sign. And so the growth in third stage was this way, from from proximal to distal side. Whereas in stage 4, you will observe changes in laterally also. This side also there will be bulbous changes. So this is called as drumstick appearance or lateral growth. Now there is something called the Shamroth's window. So this area is called as Shamroth's window. But when clubbing occurs, there is a lot of growth. So this whole area will be obliterated because of the growth of the soft tissue, as you can see here. Now clubbing can have many causes. Idiopathic, it could be idiopathic, it could be hereditary, but what we are concerned about is the acquired causes, because 80% of cases they are because of respiratory causes, 10 to 15% are because of cardiovascular causes, and the rest could be because of other causes like inflammatory bowel disease, etc.